You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places around the US and California in particular that many get confused by, so stay tuned. Locally, it's most often said as Cajalco, Cajalco, so it comes from Spanish Cajalco, Cajalco, but because the J from Spanish is a bit hard to make in English, Cajalco. Now some say it also as Cajalco, Cajalco, but that doesn't look or sound like anything like the Spanish, so Cajalco is how it's generally to be said. Do you agree? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.